year. I've kind of lost track. This is our big soup day that we do in the fall, and it's a pretty big hit. It has 90% of the vegetables from our school garden, and we supplement a few things like pasta and cheese and beans and corn. And so far, it's been pretty good feedback from the kids. Army of volunteers here helping out.